guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, to another vlog, another video, another vlog. Been a while since I did the vlog, but today is, what's today, November 5th, yeah, no, November 4th, I don't know, one of them, but I think it's November 4th today. Yeah, so what are we doing? We're just driving downtown to this restaurant. This restaurant is a seafood place. We've been there before, so it's not like our first time. We just want to go there again because it's always like late, like they're never failing. Until they fail us, then we'll not go again. So yeah, so welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button. This thing has become like an anthem where you have to just, you know, say your intro, tell everybody what they need to know, and then we move. So yeah, and I'm with Kine driving, hubby Lebu. Yep. So we are going there and we'll take it on from, I don't know, I'm gonna try to vlog it so you guys can see and go to enjoy this experience with us. And it's called the Captain's Boil, so we just bring you all the goodies from the sea. If you're a seafood person, you know, you will like it, you will really like it, and you're in Calgary, or if you plan on visiting Calgary, you can try it out. You will not regret it. Yeah, so anyways, you guys, we're gonna talk to you guys later. Okay, bye.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes
You got the menu. This is the menu, seafood feast. All of it. You have this one, the sailors, the mates. These are just boils. And then you can order the way you want. Take one, whatever, choose your own. Then they have the pirates, and then they have all of this, and you have the captains. I think I've always been ordering this one. This one. I'm not sure, I don't remember exactly. Let's see. And they also have some things. Mine will be iced tea. Yeah. Iced tea with no ice.
Okay, so let me double check you guys' orders. So latest, shrimp and chicken slices. These are both packets.
You're hungry.
No, the only thing I ate was one chin chin and are you videoing?
You took chin chin.
Yeah, no, I took one chin chin and all this mocha, chocolate mocha.
This hotel is a small place, but it's nice. Like I took this view so I can see outside. I just want to be seen outside. That's outside.
Fine girl, how are you doing? Pretty babe, how are you doing?
Pretty big.
Eh? Oh baby.
I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm just hungry. I just want to eat seafood that I don't know that went to Harvard. This place is really nice. Today we even came when it's not so busy, and I like it because sometimes it's too full, but today at least it's okay. The server was nice. He helped us to order. For some reason, Kene knows this place very well, but for you, he will not now know the order I used to order. Not be confused here. Not be confused. I'm like, you have come here, madam, so you should know that.
Should I write it in my brain that this is what I get?
At least you and your friends come. People know. At least you should know. You should know. But the difference is that when you just come two of you, it's different because there's no point spending like $300 for a 6-person order, right? Because most of them they have 6-person orders, 4 persons, 5 persons, 3 and 2. So just choose the one that is very economical for you. You don't want to come and spend all your money here. Just once in a while something. Anyways, So good. I'll see you guys when the food gets here. This is what they brought. They brought us this bowl. That's Kenny's drink. My drink. He wants to drink it. I don't know why the light is flashing here, but we'll see. Thank you. My iced tea. Yeah, sure. It's alright. That's a shrimp? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. You serve it into that thing. That's the plate.
You can grab the glove inside this here.
Thank you. This is my best thing ever. Corn. This.
How much I love you. You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up and we just sing along. And I can't help but feel it. Just loving this.
Are you a YouTuber?
Yeah.
That's so cool. Thank you. Okay, cut this.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Oh, let's dive into the shrimp. These are the pepper fat. Ooh. It's juicy. That's you. Oh, do you eat the head? I don't eat the head. It's weird. Oh. Heavenly. Come and eat so everybody collect your share. This is corn. The food is just adding. They're just adding food. Cool. Can you finish it?
Yeah. I thought it was yam fries on this.
There's yam fries under. It comes with this shrimp thing. You're full? You're even full. Leftovers. Lobster, whatever. No, shrimp, fried shrimp, and yam fries. This is the sauce. But this sauce is nice. And then we have the rice that is left over with the sausages. Oh God, don't chop finish. Chop better. He cannot even sit tomorrow. It's okay, it's okay. Well, yeah.
Well, don't add weight.
Eh?
Don't add weight.
Don't add weight. They remember when you don't finish chop. Go on, packing the rest to pack this one.
Your work finish, you carry chop grass.
So I got the package. Oh, we're gonna be unboxing this today. I got it on Amazon actually. See a big box only for this people to put this thing inside. Not serious. So now we have a box in the box. I'm gonna take it. And then there's something here. That is that. Can you guys see? Yeah, so that time you guys could not see, so I'll show you again. So this is the bag. It came with this bag, the tripod. You can just hang it like this and then carry it along if you're going somewhere, or if you're gonna do a photo shoot or something. So let's see how this looks like. Oh, nice. It's looking nice. It's looking good. And then they had this in the box as well. I was showing you, but I don't know, you guys could not see it. So this is the remote starter and the thing that you can put your phone on top of the phone or the camera. And then we have this. Ta-da! Oh, look at that. It's a UB size. Okay, it's not bad. I'm going to use this one because I first of all got the Amazon brand. I really like that one because the reviews were very nice. Then they told me that one could not be delivered, something was wrong with the package. I don't even get this whole gist around that stuff, but it's okay, we're gonna use it like that. So yay. Kenny is working, so I don't know. He said, what happened?
No, there's something that's showing as an error.
Sorry, I cannot figure it out for you. So yeah, this is it. This is a shorter tripod here to talk to you guys. This is good. At least it's 55 inches if I'm not wrong. Let me just double check this. I think 55 or 60 inches of it, so it's not a bad idea at all. Can see, I'll show you guys here when I'm bringing it out. But this is how tall it is, you know. At least, even if I'm doing something, I can just put the camera here and then I record, can spin it around like this. Yay, I have a new tripod. Nice. So it's the UB size brand and on Amazon. I think it's 50, I think it's 55 or 60 inches. So I'm going to just double check that and I'll put it on the screen here. I just forgot. Yeah, I think I like it. It's sturdy. It's not like shaking or anything. It's very sturdy, so I like that. And then I like the fact that it is what is in the picture. It's not a lie. So I'm excited. Let's see what was in here. I'm going to show you people. Let's try. I love this. Who likes it? It's the sound of it for me. This thing, it just does something to me that I don't know. I cannot explain it. If you can relate, let me know in the comment section. But I like it. I'm going to continue later. So let's just finish with this unboxing. So this is the tripod thingy, the remote starter. So even if I'm recording, I don't have to come and touch the camera. Every time I'll be touching it. Like, play now, please, no play. Is it recording? So all those issues, you have to say no to that. And then this is to mount a phone. So you can mount a phone there. And then the other part was just to mount the camera. But you guys, I don't have a camera, so I'm going to be using this one for my phone. So yep, I'm going to mount it with this. I'm going to use this part to put it on top of on that screw at the top there. Also, it had just one remote starter, just this one, but I'll show you guys. I got another one on Amazon as well. Yeah, so I found the This is the other one I got. I got this other remote starter on Amazon, and it was really remote shutter. That's what it's called, not starter, as if it's a car. Remote shutter. So this is the one I got last week from Amazon as well. I don't know if this is doing justice to it, but you guys just manage. And then this is the one that came with this new tripod I got. So I think I like this. I like the shape of this one. It's really cute. I've already had this before, so I already know what it looks like, and it's just it's the most common one. So yeah, but it's all good. You can just always use anyone that you like. It's doing the job, and yeah, it should be good. You only need to just be changing the battery in case. But this time I was so lazy, I could not find any batteries. I just decided to get another one because I was like, I don't have strength to be going out and about for battery. Everything looks good, so we are set up. We are set to start filming content. I decrease. Yeah, so everything is set up now. I'm talking to you guys on this tripod I just got, and it's really amazing. I like it. So yay, this is a win. I'm gonna rate it for now until I use it again, until I start using it. So I'll give it a 9/10 because I like it. I don't think there's anything the only thing I don't like was the fact it's just the brand. I did not really prefer it, but I think I'm okay with seats, I don't mind it. It's okay. I'll just give it what it deserves. So it's fine. Nothing is perfect, so I'll just give it a 9 for now. We're gonna stay on that, and if anything happens that is bad, I'm free to change my mind. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box, and if you're interested in getting one for yourself, so you can start making content from the comfort of your home, look for the link down below and purchase one for yourself. Okay, see me, I'm doing advert, so it's not sponsored, it's not paid. Disclaimer, nobody has paid me to do any ad about it. I just like it. I just like the fact that it's tall, and it's really long. I'm using the shorter ones, and every time I have to be holding. I just need it to stand there and record me. If I say start recording now, and this is when to even start this video now. It was easy. Now I just had to use it. Just works with Bluetooth to connect it to your phone. You pair it with your phone. That's it, you guys. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.